Same hustle I had inside, I have outside.
Oh, boss.
Gotta have a hustle inside.
Oh,
Same hustle I have inside, I have outside. Look how long I've been eating from these birds.
boss.
Birds King 17. Now these ravenous vultures are trying to cut it off. Not even Abraham did that.
Mm,
Genesis 15:10. Ah!
that's a lot of art.
How long we be eating from these birds?
Boss. Now these ravenous vultures trying to cut it off. Mm,
How long we been digging these tunnels? Look how long we be eating from these birds.
mm,
Now these ravenous wolves are trying to cut it off.
cut it off.
Not even Abraham did that.
Mm, boss. You just trying to cut my seed.